The Nova 3, Huawei's latest premium offering in India. In this video, let's unbox it and take a close look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and before we begin, here's a card to our latest giveaway. I'll also be posting a link to it in the description below. Down there, you also find the bell icon. Click on it to become part of our notification squad. Here's the box the Nova 3 comes in. Opening it up, first up we've got the phone itself. Turning it over, damn, that looks really good. Just look at that back. Anyway, let's get back to it in a bit. We then have a SIM ejector pin, a soft case, a pair of Apple AirPods style earphones, the Type-C cable, and a travel adapter. Guys, this one's a fast charger. Getting back to the Nova 3, I really like what Huawei is doing with the dual color backs. It kind of sets the phone apart from the rest. It looks gorgeous. Now, enough staring at the back, let's move on to the front, and Huawei's done a good job here too. We have a 6.3-inch notched IPS LCD display in here. Of course, because of the notch, the aspect ratio is kinda weird at 19.5 by 9, and the resolution is an unusual 2340 by 1080. Now, there's something a little different about this notch. One glance reveals that there is a lot going on with this one. We have two front-facing cameras, and then there are the others, IR sensors. Yet this phone comes with a little bit of hardware for the face unlock feature. Heck, you can use it to unlock in the dark without any issues. With so many OEMs coming out with their own interpretation of hardware-based face unlock, do you guys think that we should do a comparison video between them? Let us know if you want to see that in the comments below. Now, underneath the hood, we still get the Kirin 970 chip from Huawei. It's a tried and tested chip. That's another way of saying Huawei and sub-brand Honor have way too many phones with it. The P20 Pro, the Honor 10, the View 10, they all have the same exact chip. And in my testing though, all of them performed well, so I expect more of the same here with the Nova 3. In the memory department, this unit's got 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and if you feel that's not enough, the hybrid SIM slot ensures that you can expand the memory via microSD. Talking about that hybrid slot, let's take a quick look around the device. This slot's to the left. To the right, we've got the power and volume buttons. The top is left pretty clean except for the secondary microphone. And to the bottom, we have the speakers and primary mic to one side, the headphone jack to the other, and right in between, we've got the Type-C port. Now, the Nova 3 supports fast charging, and Huawei were nice enough to include a fast charger in the box. Also, at 3750 mAh, the battery is beefy, and based on track record, I've got high hopes on this one. For now, let's talk software. We have EMUI 8.2 running on Android 8.1 here. Most of the stuff is typically what you find with EMUI, far from stock, but with a whole lot of features. And as expected, the entire software experience seems very fast and fluid. Most of the software efforts from Huawei have gone into the cameras here. They are a highlight for this device. To the back, we have a primary 16 megapixel sensor with an f1.8 lens, along with a secondary 24 megapixel monochrome sensor that too is paired with the f1.8 lens. To the front, we have a 24 megapixel selfie camera paired with a 2 megapixel depth sensing unit. This one can pull off some impressive shots like these, even selfie portraits. So can the rear cameras. They even have different lighting modes, which is powered by the AI, and several other features including EIS at 1080p for video. We will test these quad cameras in much more depth for a full review, but for now, enjoy these pictures that we shot with it. Now finally, let's wrap this one up with price. As of shooting this video, we don't have word on the official pricing, and since this is branded Huawei and not Honor, I'm kinda not sure what to expect. A 970 from Honor would be priced around the 30k mark, whereas the last 970 from Huawei was priced around the 60k mark. That said, going by the pricing in other markets the Nova 3 has been launched, we should expect it around the 30k mark, fingers crossed. What do you think the Nova 3 should be priced at? Let me know in the comments below. So once we get more information on pricing, I'll make sure I add it to the description, pin it to a comment, and also keep you updated via Twitter. You can follow us there at C4E Tech if you haven't yet. Anyway guys, it's now time for me to bid you adieu. If you hated this video, you know what to do. But if you did like it, go ahead, drop us a giant like, get subscribed, and click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video goes live here on C4eTech. So thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.